Good morning, children. So, this is the class for yesterday's Doordarshan class. So, we'll discuss about logarithms. So, logarithms. So, sir explained yesterday when to use and how to use the logarithms. A brief discussion about the logarithms just now. For example, take the example. What is the 5q value? 125. 5 power 4 value? 625. For example, 5 square value 25. That means you already learned here a power m equals to some value a into a into a into and so on m times, like 5 power 4 is 625. Same question, for example, if I ask you 2 power how much is 32. So what you will do is we will do the prime factorization 32 as like this: 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 power 5 you are writing. That means the question mark plus is nothing but 5. So if any number is able to express as the product of prime numbers, that power value you can identify easily. That means if there also learned here, if 2 power x equals 32, then what is the x value will be 5. This is already learned in 8th standard and 9th standard concept. Now children, observe here, same thing if I ask you the question 2 power x equals to 30, then what is the x value? So again you have to go with 30. 2 15s are 3 5s are. Here 2 into 3 into 5 you are writing. You are unable to write 2 power something. At least 2 power 1, that means you can't take x equals to 1. If anything is completely written like 32 as how you are writing as 2 power 5, then that x value will be 5. But here it is not possible to get the x value. But x value in this case is a natural number. 5 is a natural number. Here you are not getting in the sense definitely x is a real number. X means real number. That means anything can be fraction, can be a irrational number, can be anything. So there is a possibility to get the x value of 30. Then how to get? By this conventional method, you can't find out the x value. So for that reason, to calculate the x, we have this chapter as called logarithms. That means if 2 power x equals to 30, then x value can be written as log. Actually, logarithm simply written as log 30 base 2. You should write like this only, log just immediately beside 30. This here it is base. Here also in the powers and exponents, this is called as base, this is called as exponent or index. Here it is 30, log 30 value and base 2. So to get the x value, log 30 base 2 value if you calculate, that you will get here. This log 30 base 2 will give an irrational number. Q dash is an irrational number. So it can be x can be a rational number to find out the value. Sometimes it can be a rational number. We don't know that. So in other words, generally, as for the yesterday's definition, if you are writing it as a power x equals to n, if a power x equals to n, to calculate the x value, where n is a normal number, any number, n is a real number, to calculate such x, so you should write x equals to log n base a. X equals to log n base a. If a power x equals to n, then x equals to log n base a is the formula for logarithms. The same way, if x equals to log n base a, then a power x equals to n. That is implies and implies way. Both cases are correct. But generally, if I am writing it as 5 power 3 equals to 125, then how to write this 3? See, this entire logarithms only tells you about how to calculate the index, this power, how to calculate this index. This 3, how to write 3 as log 125. So the value will be log. Here the base is there, no? This base will come to this side, log 5. So 3 equals to log 125 base 5. This is powers and exponents format. This is logarithmic format. Both are correct formats only. For example, if I am giving you 2 power 4 equals to 64. Then how to write 4 as log, this 64 will be 64. This will be base coming it as 2 here. Observe very carefully. 2 power 4 is 64, then 4 equals to log 64 base 2. Yesterday TV, they gave you an example, 3 power 4 equals to 81. Then how to write here 81 as this 4 power as 4 equals to log 81 base 3. Log 81 base 3. I think you are clear. So similarly, for example, if I am giving you a power x equals to n, then x value only required kada, x equals to log n base a. Here also base n, here also base a. This is conversion from exponential form to logarithmic format. Now, in other words, same thing if I am giving you reversely. For example, I am giving you log 5 base 2 equals to, for example, log 32 base 2 equals to 5 I am giving you. Then how to write here 32, this value, we are finding out this value, 32 equals to, this base will be acting as here it is, 2 to the power of 5. Yes, it's correct only. So this is a conversion of that and this. So we'll observe one more example. Log 729 base 9 equals to 3 actually. So this how to write here, this now it has 729, always logarithmic value, this is the value, 729 is equals to, this will be coming here, not 3 power 9, it is 9 power 3, 9 power 3, because this will be base, here also base only. Reverse also, if 9 power 3 equals 729, and what will happen, this 3 equals to 9 will go this base. So while you writing logarithm value, please understand here log, for example, if you write 1 by 5, so 1 by 5 base 2. So whatever the value, it can be a fraction, it can be a rational number, it can be anything, base can be down, this value will be beside, sum equals to some x. Then how to write here, 1 by 5 equals to, this 2 will go this side, 2 to the power of x. Always 2 will be x base, not x will be the base. So in the logarithmic, you can do value like this only. So clear, children? Now, so these generally logarithms have two different types of bases. Log 10, some value will be, for example, 15, and something like log 15, some base called e. This 10 is called as logarithms, general logarithms, whatever you are doing, that logarithms. Wherever you have this e, that are called as natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. Simply we will write this as LOG. Here we will write it as LN. Natural logarithms are also called as Napier logarithms also, it is correct only. E is an exponential value. This value will be lies between 2 and 3. 2 less than e less than 3. E is an exponential value. It is having something like 2.732 and so on, some value will come. It is an irrational number, e. So this will be, these type of problems will be coming in the next class, like intermediate, you will see in these problems, natural logarithms. But in our 10th standard, we all discuss about the logarithms. Generally, if I am writing here in our textbook log 20, for example, I forgot to write base 20, 10. So it is nothing but log 20 base 10 only. We will take it as log 20 base 10 only. So children, observe here, for example, if I am writing here log 81 base 3, okay, equals to, I am giving it as 4. How to write again? This concept is 81 equals to, this 3 will go this side, 3 power 4. This is logarithm to exponential form. For example, if I am giving you 4 power 4 equals to 256. This I want to ask here logarithmic format. This 4 equals to, not this 4, this 4 equals to log 256 base 4. Always this base will come as this base. For example, to make very clear, 5 power 4 equals to 625. Then how to write here this 4 equals to, because logarithms will be useful to find the exponents, log 625 base 5. So this is about the basic concepts of logarithms. Now we have 3 formulas are there. First formula, 4 formulas are there. First formula, log 1 base a is equals to 0, and again a not equals to 1 and a greater than 0. This is always condition. Term, that meaning is logarithmic value of 1 with any base equals to 0. So generally observe here, whether it is right or wrong, we'll observe here. As per the definition of the first concept, how to write here? This 1 equals to, will go to this side. That means a power 0. As you all learned already in the past experiment, anything power 0 equals to 1. We got it, kada? With that help of this formula, we are getting this formula. That log 1 base a. And for example, if I am writing here log 1000, what is the value? 0. Because whatever the base we don't require. If it is 1, then the answer is 0. Log 1 with any base is 0. Second thing is log a base a equals to 1. Log a base a equals 1. This also observe here. A equals to, outer here, this value a this side. A power 1. Do you know that a power 1 equals a1, you know? So that reason log a with base a equals to 1. That means here log 1 with any base is 0. Log a with the same base equals to 1. And for example, if I am writing here log 25 base 25. What is the value? Simply can write it as 1 because both are same. Value and the base both are same, then the answer is 1. This is the two very important formulas. And third formula will be, this is also one more important formula, log a power m base x. That means if the value having a power, and that means again I'm referring, this m will come this side. That means it becomes m into log a base x. This m will be coming it as a coefficient to this one. For example, log 2 power 5 base 3. Then what is this value? 5 into log 2 base 3. 5 into log 2 base 3. That is 5 will come this side. Now while you are writing this one, children may get doubts, sir, if the value having a normal value and the base is having a some powers and exponent. For example, log 2 3 power 5 is there. And here value doesn't have the power. Here having the base is having the power. In this case also 5 will come this side. That will not will happen. Denominator 1 will be log 1 by 5 log 2 base 3. Here if power has the base, it will be coming as a coefficient. Here it is having base, that will be coming as the 1 by 5 like this. And then generally we will write this formula log a base b power m. Then the answer is 1 by m into log a base b. From this third and fourth, we will be getting another formula, that is log a power m base b power n. And value is also having a base power. Base is also having a power. This how to, according to the formula, what will add? M will go this side, so it becomes m. N also will go this side and becomes n. Denominator, as m is the numerator, n is the denominator. M by n log a base b. And for example, if I am writing it as log 2 power 5 3 power 6, this can be written as 5 by 6 log 2 base 3. Log 2 base 3. Hope clear, children? And these are the 5 formulas. Actually 1, 2 are important formulas. Third formula is important formula. From the third only fourth you are getting. From the fourth only you are getting it as fifth only. These 3. And these are 2 more, 1 more formulas that you have to write here. Log m base a plus log n base a. And 2 logarithms with the same base are adding. Then the values of the logarithms are multiplied and m into n base a. Even this also, from this also it is correct. Log m and base a equals to log m base a plus log n base a. For example, if we have something called log 15 base some 6. How to write 15 as? For example, you can write it as 3 into 5 base 6. Base can be anything. If you are not writing base in the sense, it is having general base is called 10. Log 3 into 5. So how to write here? Log 3 into 5. Log 3 base 6 plus log 5 base 6. And I am separating. It is into. Got children? And from this we will have another formula, that log m base a minus log n base n. When it is having minus symbol, you will use this formula, that m by n base a. Log m by n base a. When it is having plus, it becomes into. When it is having minus, it becomes divided by. Like the same reverse also. For example, if I am writing here log 21 base some 4. So some children will want to write here log 21 as something I want to write here 84 by 69 by 3, for example. 69 by 3 can write 3 1 3 2 0 base 4. Already here this is log 69 base 3 base 4 minus log 3 base 4. Chalo, I'll continue in the next video in the next class.